Hey you guys, so for today's video I am super excited to be doing a review on something. So if you guys haven't seen going around, there is charcoal everything. That is the trend right now, from face masks to hair masks to toothpaste to teeth whitening, all kinds of charcoal. Every time I walk into a store I always see it. So I was super excited when the brand Coco reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their products. So this is their charcoal toothpaste and it is used to whiten your teeth. So I'm super excited to show you guys my first impression and my review on this product. So I'll read a little bit more into it when we get into the video. But as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just go ahead and hit that button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also, if you want to know every time I upload a video, just hit that little post notification bell down below and you will get notified every time one of my videos goes live. So if you want to see my first impression and what I think about this toothpaste, just keep watching. So I want to go ahead and read a little bit about these products so that you guys can kind of have a little background of what we're using. So the first product that we're going to be using is the activated charcoal tooth polish. And unlike the usual activated charcoal from health stores, this is made of finely milled organic coconut activated charcoal with a hint of bentonite clay and lemon myrtle. I'm already super excited about the coconut because I love coconut everything. I think it is such an amazing ingredient that people put into things, and I feel like it helps your skin and body look 1,000 times better. So I'm super excited about that. It says the special formula is proven to be very gentle yet effective in detoxifying the mouth and removing stains, and it has zero taste and smell. And then we also have the activated charcoal toothpaste, and it says this is a toothpaste formula that doesn't have fluoride, which is awesome. It also contains our magic ingredient, activated charcoal. The toothpaste is black but turns into a white foam while brushing, and it has a yummy minty taste. The toothpaste is designed to protect your teeth from further staining throughout the day, so you won't mess up your results if you love coffee and colored drinks. So it is absolutely awesome because I am a huge coffee drinker. I wake up super early in the morning, so the first thing I rely on is coffee, and I drink it throughout the whole day. So it is really awesome because I have noticed that coffee does stain my teeth, and I love that it is good for sensitive teeth. It doesn't have all the bad stuff in it. I have very sensitive teeth, so I always kind of watch when it comes to toothpaste and teeth whitening things because I don't want to ruin my teeth or make them more sensitive than what they are. So we're going to go ahead and open this little thing. So this is the polish and then our toothpaste, and they gave me a cute little blue toothbrush to go along with it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our package. I'm so excited to be trying a charcoal toothpaste. I've really been interested in the charcoal trend that's been going around. I have tried a couple charcoal masks, and I do feel like they really help kind of detoxify my face. So I'm super excited to test this out because I'm all about keeping my teeth nice and whitening them in a healthy way. I have tried so many whitening strips and they are terrible when it comes to my teeth. I can't keep them on very long. I've tried so many. I've tried whitening toothpaste, and they're all just too many chemicals in them to keep on my teeth long. My teeth are just way too sensitive to handle it. It tends to make them hurt. So I am all about organic ways on making my teeth look amazing because, like I said earlier, I am a coffee drinker, so coffee does want to stain your teeth. So any way to prevent that, I am totally up for it. So I'm going to go ahead and open our polish, and it is, let me try not to make a mess. So it is this kind of black powder. So our instructions say to wet your toothbrush, then dip it into the jar, and then we will brush our teeth for 3 minutes, and then we will spit out and rinse, and then brush with our activated charcoal toothpaste for another 3 minutes. can't stop running my tongue over my teeth now. They're just so smooth and glossy and shiny now. Just in that 6 minutes of using that product, I totally noted a difference so far. My teeth do look so much wider, like I can't stop looking at them. And they feel awesome. Like it feels like that product just pulled everything off my teeth. Like it feels like as if I had just went and got my teeth cleaned at the dentist. Like my teeth feel so awesome. So another great thing about this product is you can take this toothpaste and use it as oil pulling. So if you guys aren't familiar with what oil pulling is, it's something that came popular a few years ago. A lot of people will take coconut oil and swish it in their mouth for anywhere to 5 to 20 minutes. So that is the great thing about this toothpaste is you can put it in your mouth and use it as oil pulling, and it's going to give you that nice minty aftertaste. So I am super excited to try that, and I will definitely let you guys know how I think about using it as oil pulling. But so far I am so amazed with these products. I think that they are awesome, and it did not hurt my teeth at all. My teeth just feel so awesome. So it says to use this product for 7 to 14 days daily for the best results. So I'm for sure gonna use these for another week or two and let you guys know in my next favorite videos what my final result is with them. But so far I am so impressed, and I feel like if I'm impressed with just one use within 2 weeks, I'm gonna be amazed. I'm so happy with these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had fun doing this review. It was something different and I was so excited to try it. I think this is an amazing brand, and I love that everything about them is organic, which is absolutely amazing. So you know you are not putting anything harmful on your teeth, and my teeth look amazing so far. So I'm so excited to keep using this product. I will link everything down below for you guys. So I will link their website so that you can go and buy this kit. I believe you can buy everything individually, or you can buy it all as one, like the kit that I had. So I definitely recommend the kit. I think the two of them together are absolutely a match made in heaven. They worked perfect to whiten my teeth. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Give me more time.